What up, Hangout Gang? Back again with another video for the coin hunters. And we have here Internet Computer Protocol, better known as ICP. Alright, so what is ICP? So we're going to dive into ICP and see exactly what it is and what it's about, and see if we should add this to our portfolio, which, disclaimer, I already have ICP, but we're doing a deep dive for you guys. So let's go into it and let's see. It says World Computer, Unstoppable Code, Native Multi-Chain, Security by Design, and no firewalls needed, right? Alright, so autonomous cloud from a public network. So this is what ICP is. Okay, and as you can see, they've done all these ETH equivalent transactions and blocks that have been processed. Okay, and they sell memory, cloud for, cloud memory and whatnot, and smart contract data for $1, and the memory is $5 per gigabyte per year. Like it says right here, they are rivaling Amazon Web Services, and so this is why one of the reasons why you need to take a look at this and to do your own research into this protocol, into this blockchain. It says today blockchain hosts tokens, but only tiny amounts of compute. Tomorrow blockchain will be an autonomous cloud and rival traditional IT. In the future, this public everything stack will eat cloud and smart contracts will eat software. Enterprise will be unstoppable and Web3 will run autonomously under DAO control. It's already happening at scale on the Internet Computer Protocol, which is powering a blockchain singularity. Join the movement. So they have a couple of stories. It says OpenChat raised 1 million ICP in 6 hours. They have the IC Dex, it's DeFi Dex. And like it says, they have Metaverse on True Web 3, featuring a few Web 3 project teams reinventing the internet on the ICP blockchain. As you can see, all these metaverses and NFT worlds that are being built on the marketplaces, etc., being built using ICP as a cloud storage. It says disruption in motion, sovereign hardware. The internet runs on routing devices. Bitcoin runs on proof of work, mining rigs. The internet computer runs on the node machines, which is POUW. It's an intelligent blockchain. So Web 2 apps are updated by companies. Traditionally, blockchains are updated using protocol forks. The ICP is updated by a fully automated DAO. It's Web 2 compatible. Web experiences served by smart contracts. Web 2 APIs processed through consensus, Googleable smart contracts. As you can see, ICP, you have Coinbase, Google, IoT, Internet of Things. What is this? Office, Outlook, Twitter, NASDAQ, etc. It's multi-chain. Bitcoin transfers digital gold without intermediaries. Ethereum hosts unstoppable smart contract code. The ICP can execute code on any blockchain and process any asset. And that is big, and that is one reason why you need to get why I have it, because it's multi-chain. It can process anything. Okay. Transparently sustainable blockchain, scalability and utility with low carbon costs. The Internet Computer is committed to building green tech, not just making claims about it. So they have the dev forum, the dev docs, sample code, and etc. So 270 plus team members on their team, 191 patents. So they are building. Let's go to the learn. Says the basics, right? ICP allows Web3 services to run 100% on chain, providing the only platform where developers can build and users can enjoy fully decentralized applications. ICP ditches corporate cloud, insecure bridges, and expensive oracles. What makes it unique? Smart contracts serve web pages. You can open Canister smart contracts directly in your browser, just like regular websites. Interesting. So you put the smart contract in your browser and boom, and see how it works. It says realizing the vision, how it works. serving the web content. The internet computer is the only blockchain that can host a full dApp, front end, back end, and data. This is crucial and distinguishing feature allows dApps to run 100% on-chain, inheriting the security and decentralization of blockchain without sacrificing speed or affordability. This is possible because the IC internet computer can securely serve HTTP requests. And we could go deeper, but we're not going to. Has asset certification. Assets are served from the internet computer in a tamper-proof way using certification. Each asset is accompanied by a certificate which is signed by the entire subnet, allowing the user to verify that a response is correct and authentic even when communicating with malicious node. Boundary nodes. The boundary nodes are a gateway to the internet computer and enable seamless access to the Canister smart contracts with stock browsers. They provide an HTTP endpoint and translate all incoming user requests to API Canister calls, which are processed on-chain. In addition, the boundary nodes act as a cache to improve the performance of the dApps hosted on the internet protocol. So the cache is like saving the information, so where when you go back to it, it pulls it up faster than before. Internet identity. The main reasons of identity and authentication used on the web are usernames and passwords, which are hard to manage and well known for their security vulnerabilities. To solve these pitfalls, the internet computer blockchain pioneered a more advanced and much more secure method of cryptographic authentication known as internet identity, which is more convenient to use, works across all of the user's devices, and helps to protect user privacy. Internet identity is a gateway to applications on the internet computer. When you use internet identity, websites cannot collect and share information about your online activity, which is good privacy. This is because internet identity helps you create and manage anonymous independent accounts for every website so that you get the privacy of having many different accounts without the burden of managing them. And that's deep right there. That's dope. So back on the basics. It says users don't need tokens and wallets. The reverse gas model enables free to use, truly user-friendly dApps ready for mass adoption. They have the Discover decentralized social news aggregator, a professional social media platform called District, and the Open Chat, decentralized alternative to WhatsApp. It's true scaling. It has current status is 549 node machines, 89 node providers, 36 subnet blockchains. By adding new subnets regularly, the internet computer scales to an unbound number of dApps and allows storage of unlimited data. And you can become a node provider. Let's see here. Node provider receive rewards for operating node machines that run the IC network, etc. Hardware requirements. Node machines on ICP network need to keep up with the requirements of the network. Let's see. Submitting proposals to join the network as part of the process. A candidate node provider has to declare their intent and self-identity so the ICP DAO can make an informed decision. And then they will onboard you. So you have to apply. Anybody can just not do this. You have to apply for it, and then you have to get voted in by their DAO. Okay? For those that are interested in running an ICP node. And we talked a little bit about the internet identity. Here it has biometric authorization, no tracking, and web authorization. So Face ID, fingerprint censoring, and all that stuff, which I'm not a big fan of. Not a big fan of that, but okay. Their ecosystem mint and store NFTs on chain, explore new user incentives, and Web3 social dApps. Leverage unlimited scalability and supersonic transaction finality in DeFi. Build the next metaverse on internet computer. Blockchain operation is climate friendly, so they're green, and they're, as you can see, their emissions that they're showing per transaction, right? So let's go here to what is it? The architecture. It talks about the nodes, how they run on the nodes. The network nervous system governs the IC, which is the DAO. Then they have canisters of the smart contracts. It says here, smart contract is a computer program executed on the blockchain. A canister smart contract on an internet computer bundles a computer program and its data. Every canister is hosted on one subnet of the internet computer. Canisters can so every canister is hosted on one subnet of the internet computer, and canisters can be executed concurrently and are capable of communicating within and across subnets by sending a synchronous message in a non-blocking manner, resulting in essentially unbounded scalability. Canisters are more powerful than smart contracts on other blockchains as they can serve a user interface directly to any web browser, hold gigabytes of memory for a low fee, perform substantial amounts of computation at low cost, and pay for their own computation reverse gas model. So low latency and high thorough output consensus, chain key cryptography underpins the IC security architecture. Okay, so it references the further information, right? Sustainability. Talks about the green tech and carbon emissions, etc. Go to the white paper. And as you can see, it talks about the unleashing the smart contracts, and we're not going to get deep into the white paper because it's a lot of stuff here. So you guys can go back to it, go to the website and look at it, check it out. So they have different, capabilities. They got Bitcoin on there and all that stuff. A cryptography integrates within the Bitcoin network, enabling a plethora of native Bitcoin smart contract use cases, all without the need for bridges. Think DEXs offering BTC trading pairs, decentralized fundraisers accepting Bitcoin, or Web3 SocialFi services allowing Satoshis to be sent via chat messages. That's tight. Interesting. And it says network integration. One key tech development allowing smart contracts on the internet computer to obtain the balances of Bitcoin addresses as well as directly send and receive Bitcoin is interchain communication. As the ICP blockchain creates transactions for the Bitcoin blockchain, its nodes directly transmit the transaction to the nodes of the Bitcoin network without any need for intermediaries that might censor them. ICP nodes also directly pull blocks from the Bitcoin network to maintain Bitcoin's current UTXO set, allowing canisters to query the balance of Bitcoin addresses and their UTXOs, creating Bitcoin transactions and querying UTXOs. UTXO sets are made available to canisters by the Bitcoin API. So this is big. Keychain Bitcoin, CK Bitcoin, was this Keychain Bitcoin can be sent with 1 to 2 second finality and negotiable fees. A multi-chain Bitcoin twin, trustlessly created by Keychain cryptography and a pair of canister smart contracts that directly hold raw Bitcoin without relying on intermediaries. So you can use Bitcoin on ICP at ICDEX, at Funded, which is a Kickstarter and crowdfunding platform, and Discover, Web3 social media platform, and open chat platform. Right, so this is big. Now, price of ICP is $4.03. Now, it was all the way $428 something when it first came out. Okay, and it dropped down to $307 and all the way down to now $4. Okay, now do your own research. It's something that I think you might need in your portfolio. I have it in mind. I continue to buy more every dip, every time it pulls, and even at $4, I still purchase more ICP. Okay, something that I will continue to add on as long as it is under $10. I will continue to add ICP to my portfolio and get as much as I can. All right, and we see here on some of the posts here on CoinMarketCap, I'm bullish on ICP. You can never buy the perfect bottom. You have to take risks to enjoy it. When it's worth over $20 again, some bought for over $200. All right, it says crypto interoperability tokens, 7-day performance by market cap, Chainlink, Atom, ICP, and Quant. All right, we just did a video on Quant, which will be posted along sometime this week, if not posted already, and as well. So like it says, ICP charge particles extremely low cap, like for thousands. So NFT use cases are growing. The latest addition is the employee engagement NFT collection by Fluxy on the ICP. Here's why the X collection chose ICP: zero gas fee, on-chain NFTs, energy efficiency. ICP NFTs have revolutionized ownership within transparent blockchain technology. With each NFT, you hold a digital asset, and the blockchain certifies your absolute ownership. There are no more doubts. NFTs provide indisputable proof of authenticity and transferability. ready to dive into smart contracts of using ICP type script. So this is from ICP, and like it says, ICP is finally awake, etc. June 8th, July 8th, and etc. So let me know what you guys think about ICP. You know, as you can see, the market cap is what is it? Boom, 1 trillion, 2 trillion fully diluted. As you can see, 437. What is that? 437 million. Max supply 500 million. The total supply. And so as you can see, circulating supply is 437 million. Okay. So what do you guys think? I think it's severely undervalued. I think it's something that you should be taking a look in, something that you should be accumulating. Alright, so this Crypto Crane signing out for the Coin Hunters video. Until the next one, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the dislike button if you didn't like the video, but comment. Let me know what you think about ICP. Let me know what you think about the video, so I know to continue to make more Coin Hunters videos, and you know, for you guys. So I want to cater to you guys, more videos of what you guys like and what you guys are looking for. Alright, so let me know. Comment below, leave a comment, say what's up. Say your video sucks. Say something. Alright. Till the next video, Crypto Crane out. Signing out for the Crypto Hangout Network. Peace.